Hi everyone, today I'm just going to be showing you how I do my 5-minute curls. So this is the end look, so I've already done them, so I'm going to actually show you in this video how I achieved this exact look for today. And my hair's a little long, so I have to back up a little bit so you can see everything. My hair's really long, and this is the way that I found that I can literally get my hair done in no time. And full disclosure, nobody judge, but I wash my hair once, maybe twice a week, and then I do my hair once, maybe twice a week. So I really only do my hair when I wash it, and then unless I'm going somewhere, if I'm going out to somewhere where I really need to look extra special, then I will do my hair again throughout the week. But normally I'm all about that dry shampoo. So I'm going to show you how I do it. And this, so this is something that I did after going to the gym this morning, and how I freshened up my hair and made it look nice and clean. If you want any information on the makeup I'm wearing today, I did already do my makeup this morning, and I did more of a daytime look. This is more of a neutral with neutral colors, but I figured, you know, I'm gonna do some videos, so I'm gonna put on a little extra gloss today. So if you want the details on this, I will link everything in the description. Just stay tuned if you want to watch how I do this in 5 minutes or less. All right, so the first thing that I do to prep my hair is I use this Dove dry shampoo. I just get this from any drugstore. I will link this as well. But the reason I love Dove is because it's really inexpensive. I love the smell of it over most other dry shampoos that I've used, and it blends in really well. Even though I have really dark roots, I just love it. So I'm just gonna spray that in my roots really quick. And it also adds a little bit of volume. So, and then I blend it in. I usually just run my fingers through it or brush it. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to flip my hair over, and I put it in a ponytail. So this is part of what makes this process so quick for me, is that I just stick it all in a ponytail, make sure that everything is blended out from the dry shampoo, if you notice anything, and then yeah, just put it up in a ponytail. And I try to do a higher ponytail. I've tried lower and it just doesn't look right, so I do it usually right at the crown of my head. So now here's where I just start curling. I just clamp it up. I'm just using a 1-inch curling iron. I will also use a 1.5 inch. That can work really well. Either one, just depends on what kind of curls you have. I just found that when I use this tighter one, the curls last a little bit longer, and that's why I can get away with doing this just once a week. So I am just doing it away from my face, as you can tell here, and I'm just taking just small strands and then curling each of them away from my face. And I'm just gonna speed this up because you kind of get the picture of what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm done with that side. So like I said, I do it on 2 sides, and now I'm just gonna get started on the second side and do the same exact thing. And as I'm wrapping up here, I'll just find ones that need a little bit more curl and just curl them a little bit more. And then once I'm done, I take my hair out and swing my hair, whip it back and forth like a big old diva. That's it. So now at this point, everything after this is optional. So a lot of times I will leave my hair like this, or if, like I said, if I want to perfect it a little bit more, if I don't have issues with my curling iron, I will just go through and curl a little bit more on the top, make sure I blend in my dry shampoo, do a little bit on the bottom as well. And that's pretty much it. So once I'm done, I just kind of fluff it to my liking, and I run my fingers through it, and I just curl like pieces on the top that I want a little bit more curled, or maybe right here in the front, maybe I wanted something a little more more wavy than it was, but really that's an optional step. Usually I'll do that if I'm going out that night, or if I'm doing a video, or if I'm doing something for that requires me to look a little jazzed up. But usually for everyday curls or just everyday hair, I literally take it out of my ponytail and then just kind of brush it out and then leave it that way. So but yeah, like I said, those additional curls only took me like 2 extra minutes. So this is how I do my hair. This is how I curl my hair. So I hope this is helpful to you. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll be back around to answer them. So if you're watching this on Facebook, make sure that you like my page and make sure that you are clicking the see first under the follow tab at the top so that you don't miss any videos like this. And you know, with algorithms and everything, if you like this kind of stuff, you're gonna miss it unless you do that. So, and then if you're on YouTube, definitely subscribe. I'm gonna be pumping out more videos on YouTube as well. So, all right, thanks so much for watching and have an awesome day. Bye.